QUITTR app review. So this is quite viral app on TikTok. It says QUITTR app, quit porn now. Number one science-based no nut app, and yeah, I will show you the upgraded version of the app so you can decide whether you want to upgrade or not. Unfortunately, it's quite expensive app. I mean, they only have like a yearly subscription mode. They don't have weekly. They don't have monthly. It's only yearly, and they don't have free trial or limited free version. So it's like pay now, like option. So that's the idea. You can regain control of your life. Number one porn recovery app designed to help you regain control and live with purpose. Whether you're looking to cut down or quit entirely, QUITTR's neuroscience-backed system helps you reshape your relationship with porn and dopamine. So there is a structured 90-day science-based recovery program, real-time progress tracking and encouraging community, and full suite of tools including meditation, interactive challenges, and more. Have everything you need to take charge of your habits. So rewire your mind, make every day count, track your progress, watch your life tree grows, community that cares, achieve true satisfaction, powerful recovery tools, real stories from the community. So yeah, that's the idea, and then you can just open it up. So here's how it looks like. When you start the app, it starts the timer. So this is your timer, where you have it in here. You can pledge sobriety today, make a commitment to yourself. So here's you have this how it looks like. Then you have like kind of meditation button. Then edit streak date, and then you can also join chat, and then also you can then just tap on this button. So this is the button, kind of relapsing button. Then you can see analytics, and then there is like a panic button in the bottom. This app is a bit buggy. So here it is. Again, this is upgraded version of the app. You're not gonna be able to use these features for free. So here is how it starts. Again, let's just try it out again. So I think the price is like $29 per year, but then you can just not upgrade the first time, and then you will have the offer like $20 per year. So for a year, it's not an expensive price, but yeah, you only have that option. And it's good. It's like a yearly plan in here.